Today, I'll show how to buy shares of Nathan's Famous Inc. using a retail platform. Nathan's Famous Inc. is a prepared foods and quick service restaurant business listed on NASDAQ under the ticker NATH, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. You'll need a broker to trade, and I'm using eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker NATH to find the company listing. Select the result that matches Nathan's Famous Inc. to open the asset page. On the asset page, check basic company information and the price chart to ensure this is the right stock. Confirm the company name and ticker NATH before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to spend, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next market opening. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order completes. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. For the example link and more details, see the description below.